How to add friends on Duolingo. Are you on related topics like following people, joining leaderboards, or learning with friends on Duolingo? Then, adding friends makes it more fun and competitive. First of all, launch open Duolingo app on your device and log in. From the home page, go to the bottom right corner and tap the three dots. Now click on Profile. You'll come across this profile section where you need to click on Add Friends. Go ahead and make sure that you have allowed access to your device's contact as well so that you can choose friends from your contact list. And after you do that, go to tap on Choose from Contacts at the top. Now, if any one of your contacts uses Duolingo, then you'll be able to see it on this page from where you can tap the follow button to follow them. You can also search the contact by name, tap on search by name function, and in the search bar type in the name and search. Once you find your names from the name list, go ahead and tap on the plus icon right next to one of the contacts and you'll be able to send them the friend request. You can also add friends by share follow link option. Tap on share follow link button and then you'll receive your Duolingo profile info. Simply go ahead and let anyone scan this QR code displayed on the screen and they'll be able to add you as their friend as well. You can also add some of the friends by tapping the follow button right under friend suggestions, and there you go. That is how you easily add friends on Duolingo. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.